gonna start picking up, move my visual a little bit. Start picking up this and ombre toward to the free edges of the nails, like right in the tips of the nails. So for all of you who is interested in the dipping, okay? And you just like using it closer to the to the free edges of the nails. Oh. And I'm tapped on the bristle instead of on the handle. Hey Angel, how are you? Hey Nene, how are you? Okay, so now it looks great. If you want to add another coat of a neutral colors. Lily, can you paint me a neutral pink, like a light pink? And then now you're gonna using ombre. You can see that it's blending really nicely. This is why I sharing this with all of you, because this traditional ombre, you start seeing a lot of different ombre technique. That's all. Yeah. And some of them is so many different cool technique, but this is always take you back to the original that you can do a lot with. You can do any colors basically with this. Now I want to do design. If you want to get the yellow to be more pigmented, you can do it one more time. If you don't, you are totally fine with that. Let me using some of this glitter and designs right here on my side. I'm gonna pick some of this out here. I'm gonna get some of I just leave it right here just in case I need it, okay? And then that's what I want to do for this. And then I am going to using that one. Up like number 2. And then you can use just a little of this. I'm using this one. This color right there. Let's play with it and see how it is. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. I don't want to take away from my ombre dipping. So if you are start doing a dipping at your salons, or you wonder, or you are not sure if you can able to do it, beautiful design and a lot of different cool things, absolutely you can. Just follow in your state of the safety or whatever you need to require for your dipping. I just sharing it. So I am going to using my crystal picker. Start picking up some of my shiny sky and place them here. Just however you would like it, okay? You don't have to do exactly the same. What I'm doing just for your preference. Just a little bit and then. I love this touch of color. So if you're happy with this, you're gonna encapsulating it with the clear powder. You can do that underneath of your dipping. You can do it on the on the top of dipping, or you can do it after you finish. Either way, it works really well. So I'm showing 2 ways. I'm gonna apply number 2 gel base. and coat it good with clear. This one is the design for the dipping. It's not like a building structure of the dipping at all, but give you an idea that you can do it with the dipping. Tap it down. And then coat it again with number 2 gel base. And after that, then you're gonna do it really shiny as well. Hey, Lily. Hey, Emmeline, how are you? Nelba J. Hi, Miss Elsa, how are you? Okay, so now if you don't put activator on, if you leave it there, it's gonna stay wet all the time. It's a little bit different. We're have to using activator to accelerate it, okay?